Good afternoon. I'm going to make this very, very brief. This is President Obonjo of Laughter Republic. This is a message to all African countries around the world, all African countries based in Africa, and I really do mean this. There will be severe consequences if any African country makes any comment about the crisis in Russia and Ukraine. It is not our problem. I repeat this now. No African country should get involved in any of this Ukraine-Russia crisis. It's really important. There will be severe consequences. I will invade any African country that gets involved in the Russian-Ukraine crisis. Not Nigeria, not Ghana, not Egypt, not Morocco. None of these African countries should make any comment at all. Face your own problems and sort it out. I really do mean this. I'm not joking in any shape or form. I repeat it, a message to all African countries. Do not comment, do not get involved, or there will be severe consequences from me.